Welcome to this journey of deep relaxation. Over the next few minutes, I will gently guide you into a state of calm and serenity where you can let go of the outside world and connect with the peaceful energy within you. This is your time, a moment just for you to unwind, recharge, and find stillness. There is nothing you need to do right now except be here in this moment. Feel free to close your eyes or keep them open, whichever feels most natural to you. Remember, you are fully in control of your experience. Let's start by taking a deep breath in and exhale fully. Once more, breathe in deeply, filling your lungs with fresh air, and exhale, releasing any tension you might be holding on to. Allow the gentle rhythm of your breathing to guide you deeper into relaxation, as each breath brings a sense of calm. As you continue to breathe, notice the sounds around you. Maybe you hear the soft whisper of waves or the gentle rustling of the wind. Let these soothing sounds wash over you, quieting your mind. If thoughts arise, that's okay. Acknowledge them and then gently return your focus to your breath, to the present moment. Breathe in once more, feeling the cool air as it enters your body. And as you exhale, imagine releasing any stress or tension. Feel your body becoming lighter with each breath. The natural flow of the ocean waves can help carry away any worries, allowing you to drift further into peace and stillness. Let your eyes close now, if you haven't already. Feel how the air around you seems to carry a soothing energy, enveloping you in warmth and comfort. Your body becomes more relaxed, your mind quieter with every passing moment. Breathe in deeply, and as you exhale, feel any remaining tension leaving your body. Now, we're going to go even deeper. I will count down from 5 to 0, and with each number, allow yourself to sink further into relaxation, feeling calmness wash over you like waves on the shore. 5. Feel your body loosening, sinking into comfort. 4. The sound of the waves calming your mind. 3. Letting go of any stress, drifting peacefully. 2. Deeply relaxed. fully at peace. 1. A quiet mind, a relaxed body. 0. You are in a state of complete relaxation. Take a moment to fully embrace this wonderful sensation of peace. Let yourself remain in this tranquil state for as long as you wish, feeling connected to the gentle flow of life all around you. This is your time to recharge, to simply be. If you wish, you can stay in this relaxed state, even after this meditation ends. There's no rush. You can continue to enjoy this deep sense of calm for as long as you'd like. When you're ready to return to your day, simply take a few deep breaths, feeling refreshed and energized. Slowly open your eyes, bringing this sense of calm with you as you step back into the world, ready to continue your journey with a peaceful heart and a clear mind.